Battle between PP and PPSU for plastic water cups Part 2. Every cup holds a story, every sip warms your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to Dong Dong Talks Cups. In the last episode, we compared the basic properties and heat resistance of PP and PPSU. Today, let's wrap up all the key points. This episode focuses more on daily use and purchasing needs. We will dive into health safety, factory drop tests, and user group selection. All content is straightforward and easy to understand. First up, an in-depth safety comparison of the two materials. To start with the similarities, both PP and PPSU comply with National Food Contact Safety Standards. They are free of BPA and phthalates, so they are safe for drinking water in general. The biggest difference lies in material stability. PP is a basic food-grade plastic. Its main drawback is poor aging resistance. When used repeatedly with hot water for a long time, it ages easily and raises the risk of microplastic release. Our factory recommends replacing PP water cups every 6 to 12 months. Do not use them beyond this period. PPSU, by contrast, is a medical-grade material ideal for baby products. It features an extremely stable molecular structure. No harmful substances will leach out even after long-term exposure to high temperatures and repeated sterilization. Its service life can reach 3 to 5 years. It is the top choice for premium baby water cups and baby bottles, delivering outstanding safety and durability. Next, real comparison tests conducted in our factory workshop, with no misleading data. We adopted the same popular baby cup design with a uniform wall thickness of 3.0 millimeters. Cups made of PP and PPSU were put through a 1.5 meter drop test on concrete, plus high-temperature steam aging tests. For the PP cup, it survived 5 consecutive drops at room temperature, but after 10 rounds of high-temperature steam sterilization, the cup softened and deformed slightly, and cracked upon the next drop. Besides, it gets covered with scratches over time, where dirt and grime easily build up. As for the PPSU cup, it remained intact with no cracks or deformation after 15 consecutive drops at room temperature. Even after 50 steam sterilization cycles, its performance stayed fully intact. It stays rigid, scratch-resistant, and durable. To sum up clearly for all buyers, with the same wall thickness, PPSU is over 3 times more resistant to drops and aging than PP. PP suits short-term use, while PPSU is perfect for long-term and frequent use. Now let's sort out suitable user groups for your personal use or bulk orders. PP is suitable for people of all ages with great cost performance. It works well for kids' temporary cups, daily use cups for adults, and replacement cups. It is your ideal pick if you have a limited budget or only need short-term use. PPSU is the premium choice for maternal and infant use. It is perfect for newborns, infants, and pregnant women, widely used for baby bottles, sippy cups, and daily commuter cups. If you need frequent sterilization, high temperature resistance, top-tier safety, and long service life, go for PPSU without hesitation. Finally, here is our ultimate buying guide for the 4 common plastic cup materials. Keep these tips in mind. For transparent cups, choose PCTG and stay away from PC. PCTG is safe, drop-resistant, and anti-yellowing, suitable for all ages. PC contains BPA, which is harmful to health and has been phased out by the mainstream market. For heat-resistant cups for mothers and babies, pick PPSU if budget allows, or PP if you prioritize cost performance. One important reminder, wall thickness is not the key to drop resistance. Material toughness matters most. PCTG and PPSU deliver far better impact resistance than PC and PP of the same thickness. Additional buying tips, check the recycling symbols at the bottom of cups. Marked with number 5 equals PP, number 7 marked with Triton, PCTG equals genuine PCTG. Number 7 marked with PPSU equals premium baby grade material. Avoid products only marked with number 7 without specific material names. That's all for our full comparison between PP and PPSU. If you find this factory insider content helpful, please give us a like. I'm still new to running this account, but all my videos are dedicated to water cup industry knowledge. If you'd like to see new cup designs, innovative concepts, or more industry know-how, leave a comment below. I will create relevant content as requested. Thank you for your support and understanding. I will keep sharing professional insights from a genuine manufacturer.